My name is Franklin Zambrano from Zambranos, right here in the beautiful city of Trenton, New Jersey. We got started back in 1997 in Brooklyn, New York, and we were there for almost 2 decades. I came out of the Navy, I was in the Navy for 3 years, and my father was ready to start his own business, and he invited my brother and I to start the business. I'm always very proud of my father. He's master tech. Very few people can do what he can. So when we started in 1997, we were a taxi shop mechanic. So we were handling a lot of cars per day, but we got burned out. And I had a few friends here in the city, the beautiful city of Trenton, and we took the step, and that expanded our operation. That's one of the reasons also why we have been able to grow. So thankful to the city of Trenton, because they've been really good to us. I first learned about Clarify through a Facebook app. I got a phone call, I explained what I was looking for, and Clarify was able to get me the funds that I needed. That's how I also met Adam, and Adam has been my Clarify representative. He's constantly sending me texts, constantly calling me or sending an email reminding me that Clarify is there to help me with any financial needs that I might have.
Franklin was onboarded 2022. He had mentioned that he was only utilizing a quarter of the shop. He had an opportunity to expand his shop and purchase the building next door so he can expand it. That will only double the business.
Through the years, I have gotten different kind of loans. The opportunity came up to be able to buy a second alignment machine. So we needed the funds quick. I couldn't let that opportunity pass. If we go through a normal bank, it's a pain. That requires so much information, so much paperwork, and I tell people, look, you try to get a loan from the bank, it's like pulling teeth. But if you have a situation where you need money fast and you need somebody to give you an answer right away, Clarify is a good option.
In the world of small businesses, it's very fast-paced. They need someone that they can call and rely on. Franklin has my cell phone within 24 hours. I can use my resources and his payment history to capitalize on anything that they need.
My next goal will be to grow into a second location or third location. I'm constantly looking for the opportunity and constantly searching the market. And when that opportunity shows up, I'm definitely going to give Adam a call so he can help me out to take advantage of that opportunity.